Well, hey, good morning, family. This is Darlene. Ooh, it's been about a week. I had looked at the videos on the YouTube channel, and the last video that I uploaded said 1 week, and I'm like, oh my God, it's been a whole week since I uploaded a video, and that was not on purpose. I've been absolutely busy, and I am here today. Wanted to say happy belated Mother's Day to all you mothers out there, and I hope you guys had the most marvelous times. I've sold out of all the Buddha head earrings on my website and also in that the Etsy shop. So I figured I would make a couple of some different pairs. Oh, and I also sold them on the Poshmark. And Poshmark don't do too well for me. I get some sales like kind of here and there, but not too many. And I'm thinking it's because nobody wants to buy one pair of earrings, and the shipping is, I think, $7 and maybe 95 cents. I know the shipping is pretty expensive, so you got to really kind of make it worth somebody making the purchase. So that's one reason why I gathered like that's one reason why I offered, I think it's like 3 pair earrings for $40 or something, because it has to make sense. But even with that, it hasn't been like the best selling platform for me, Poshmark. Although I do have product on there, but I don't know if that selling portal is more for like shoes and or what it's for, but it is what it is. But I do better with my website and also my Etsy shop. And the amazing thing about that, because people will go to the Etsy shop and they won't want to set up the account that you have to do, so they'll contact me and say, well, hey, can I purchase these like Cash App, pay you, or can I do this or can I do that? Because they don't want to set up the account. And that's absolutely fine. It's like, yeah, you can Cash App me, or you can, however you want to do it. Or what I'll do is I'll put that product on the website and they can purchase off of the website. Because a lot of people don't want to, set up accounts, and they shouldn't have to do that. But it is what it is on that selling platform. Oh, and then I had a couple questions where a couple of you all asked me, is it better or would I prefer that you buy from the Etsy shop or from the website? I really would prefer the website because I'm trying to get away from the Etsy shop in the sense of selling more on there versus on the website. I would prefer all my sales go through the website. But remember, if somebody is not familiar with you or your product, Etsy is a good place because they can see the reviews with these pretty blue beads. Just simple. Because these sell out fairly quick. And I did have a couple pair of these on my eBay shop as well. So these Buddha heads sell out real fast. They do good. So I figured I needed to get busy making some of these. So I'll probably do, a nice amount of them. So of course we do the twisting of the wire. Just kind of round this up at the top to give it that nice little elegant look at the top. And then I'm going to take it down and wrap it around. So just to make it look really nice and pretty. Because with the wire, it's something about kind of like the more wire you use, the prettier they look. So I think I'm going to take it back up this way instead of taking it downward. And then we'll wrap this around the top, and then that'll give us our earring. So what I want to do is take the bottom part, because I use wire, the regular wire, to make my stems to be able to bead. So I like to take it and then turn it over, smash it down. And then we'll take this, the end part of this. Oh, I need to get this all the way in here. And let's close that down in there. Make sure you don't feel nothing sharp. And that's one of our earrings. And then we want to do our second one. So of course we fold it over. And then we want to pinch it with our fingers, close it, round it around, and then keep wrapping that wire so that it wraps around the bead at the top. And you can see how it gives it that nice, pretty look at the top. And then I'll take it down, wrap it a couple of times around that top of the head of the Buddha head. And then I'm going to take it back up and then wrap it up here. And then I like to take my little pliers, bend that part over, smash it down so it makes it flat and you don't see it sticking out, but it does closes really well. And you can see that at the bottom, like so. And I'm going to take this little part, close it over. I'm going to close it into there. Make sure it's in there, and then make sure you don't feel nothing sticking, nothing poking. And then we have our little earrings. We got some right here. And then we want to go ahead and put our little ear wires on there. Ear wire, fish hooks, whatever you want to call them. Because I know a long time ago they used to just be called fish hooks. But I think people are starting to call them ear wires now. So ear wires, fish hooks. Either way, you want to put your closures. That's pretty. Now see, these are my kind. Well, all of these are my kind of earrings. I think what I'm going to do is turn it around the other way. Let's do this. And we get to see the face. So then we'll do these. And just really quick pairs of earrings. It's amazing how many pair of earrings you can get done. You know, how quickly you can get them done. You know, and really simple, really easy. Now, how pretty are those? Right? And I'm going to add these on probably the website and on the in the Etsy shop today. That's really pretty. But anyway, Darling Night for Jewelry by BDK. Wanted to bounce down real quick because, like I said, I had checked and I hadn't did a video in like a week. But I have been doing like making things and doing some other stuff and just being extra busy. And I think sometimes you just kind of get caught up in the busyness of things and you kind of forget. And you look up and it's been a whole week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or something has gone by and it's not even deliberate. It just kind of happens. And if you think about it, the days just kind of all blend together. You look up and you be like, is today Wednesday? I think today is like Wednesday. And it was just Saturday, you know, or actually for me, it was just Friday because I have Friday off. So it was just Friday and today is already Wednesday. And it's amazing just how fast, you know, time goes by and you look up and it's been that much time. That's why, you know, again, we try to be good stewards of our time because you can lose sight and awareness of time and you'll look up and you've wasted a lot of time. I know on Sunday, somebody was having a conversation and the conversation was something like, when I looked up, he said when he look up, he see that he's old. Right? He said, I don't know what happened to the time I was 18 and then I looked up and now I'm an old man. And that's amazing because I think a lot of us probably feel that way. It's like, I just had my birthday at 36, and now I look up and I'm going to have a birthday May 25th, and I'll be 56, I think. So it's like, man, it's like the time, it's like, wow, what happened? But time goes by just like that. That's why we want to try to be the best stewards of our time that we could possibly be every single day, all the time. And my whole thing is, I don't think we should ever lay our heads down on our pillows at night and not be able to summarize our day being a productive day. So, what did you get done in the entire day that makes a difference for tomorrow, right? Or what did you do in today that you can probably continue into the next day, right? So there's so much that you should be doing in a day to where you don't even have time in that day to complete those tasks. So you have to carry it on to the next day, right? That's what being productive is all about. But anyway, y'all didn't come here for a sermon. Okay? But anyway, darling night for Jerry by BDK. We shall talk soon.